Hello, third grade. I'm going to be reading your Math Crunch number 2 for Chapter 3, Understanding Multiplication. Should look like this. Okay. Directions say to read the questions carefully. Answer each question using the information given. Number 1. Determine which property of multiplication identifies the number sentence 1 times 2 equals 2. Is this A, the identity property, B, distributive property, C, associative property, or D, commutative property? Number 2. Paco drew an array to show the number of desks in his row in the classroom, and you can see the array right there. Which multiplication sentence matches the array? A, 1 times 1 equals 1. B, 3 times 1 equals 3. C, 5 times 1 equals 5. Or D, 6 times 1 equals 6. Number 3. Cecily went fishing for 3 days at a lake. The first jump on the number line shows how many fish she caught the first day. She caught the same number of fish the next 2 days. So as you can see on the number line, the first jump shows how many fish she caught on the first day. So you can see she started at 0 and she jumped to 3. And they said she caught the exact same number of fish on the other 2 days. So here's the second day, here's the third day. Select the multiplication sentence that best represents the number line. A, 1 times 3 equals 3. B, 0 times 9 equals 9. C, 3 times 3 equals 9. Or D, 3 times 3 equals 6. Hint, you got to look at the number where she ended up. Number 4. Ian has 5 cards to mail. Each card needs 2 stamps. Solve how many stamps Ian needs to mail his cards. And look, they give you a lovely picture. Here's the 5 cards, and each one has 2 stamps. So how many stamps is that total? A, 2 stamps, B, 4 stamps, C, 10 stamps, or D, 15 stamps. Number 5. Write the multiplication sentence that matches the picture below and solve to find the product. So let me give you a little help here. This is the picture they're talking about. And here we have 1 fruit bowl, 1 bowl of fruit. And how many apples are in it? 1, 2, 3. So we have 1 fruit bowl with 3 apples. Hopefully that helps you in choosing your numbers for your number sentence. And number 6, Noah sets out 7 baskets at the farmer's market. Each basket holds 1 watermelon. Okay, so picture that in your brain. You have 7 baskets, and each basket has 1 watermelon. Part A. Determine how many watermelons Noah sets out. Part B. Draw circles to model the problem and explain how to solve it. So your circles would be your baskets, and you're going to draw out your baskets and how many watermelons in each basket, okay? So remember, 7 baskets. Each basket has 1 watermelon. So part A, again, determine how many watermelons Noah sets out. And B, draw circles to model the problem and explain how to solve it. Again, you can go back. You can listen to any parts that you need to. You can stop, forward, or rewind. It's up to you. I hope this helps, and I will see you guys next week for another crunch.